Silver Springs State Park. It's been a while when I was here last time. I haven't been here for a long time, so it's so good to come back and see it again. Anyway, I'm gonna spend some time here and later I'm gonna go to the campground. So let's check out the boardwalk first. I don't think I've ever been in boardwalk. Let's see. It's so cool. I've never been on this boardwalk. This is really cool. Monkeys, where are you? So that is the end of boardwalk. I mean, that goes back to the entrance. Look at that. Wow. These springs here. Really pretty. This cypress tree is actually really old. Why I know that? Because they cut off. See? Let's see what it says. Doesn't say anything how old it is. Tree trunk and then it's like a cut off. That shows it's an old tree. So let's go and see what's over there.
Close his ears because it's so.
Glass bottom boats. There's the other one. That's so cool. So now let's go and do the glass bottom boat tour. Lots of people. Going in.
This is the world famous glass bottom boats. We have been doing the glass bottom boat routine since 1878. This particular boat was built in 1965. Now, one of the things the state's going to allow to continue here is the filming industry. The first movie was made here in 1918. It was a black and white silent movie called The Seven Swans. Up in the trees, you're going to see these blackbirds called the hingas. Their nickname is snakebird. They're fishermen. When they're running through the water, their head and neck are above the water. They look like a snake. You'll see them all along the shoreline here, usually with their wings spread apart, because these birds are fishermen and they don't have natural oil in their feathers. And here it is coming under the boat now. You'll see snowflakes floating around, going back down to the bottom. Well, what Florida snow actually is limestone and seashells being ground up and forced to the surface by the spring. We have over 300 rhesus macaque monkeys. The legend is they were left here after the Tarzan movies. That is false. In 1930, there was 3 boat rides here. There was a glass bottom boat. The gentleman that owned the Jungle Adventure Cruise was a gentleman named Colonel Toohey. The Colonel bought 12 of these rhesus macaque monkeys, put them on an island downriver, so the people that bought his tickets had something to look at. Well, he got on the first boat the next morning. He wanted to see the reaction of the people to his investment. Well, the only one that had a reaction was him, because rhesus macaque monkeys are one of the few monkeys that can swim. They swam off during the night because they got hungry. His mother was Creek, which is one of the tribes in the nation, gave him his birthright. But his dad was English and Scottish, taught him to read and write English. When he went to the meeting, they gave him a parchment of paper all rolled up, and they told him it said something on the lines of, if you behave yourself, we'll let you live in Florida. Then when he went back to the tribal council, he unrolls it. It said something totally different. Unfortunately, it caused the Second Seminole War, and he was captured a couple years later, brought to a prison up by Charleston, South Carolina, where he died at age 34 of dysentery. Now, if I have any James Bond fans on board, this cave may look familiar to you. It was used in the movie Thunderball, starring Sean Connery. People on the left-hand side, you're getting a really good view of Mammoth Springs. People on the right, yo guys, you should have sat on the left. I'll swing us around a little bit here. That white limestone outside there, that's about 42 feet. Everybody seen it? I have one last thing that I can show you folks if you're interested. In 1964, there was a popular TV show called I Spy. When they came here to do an episode in the spring, they brought with them 12 statues that represented Greek gods. It will be Zeus, Poseidon, and Hades. Folks, please enjoy your day in the park. Thank you.
All right, now I'm heading out. It was a nice boat tour. So last time when I was here, it was still privately owned. Now it's a state park. All right, I'm getting hungry. I'm gonna go and see if I can get food somewhere. I'm gonna go and eat in China buffet, and after that I'm heading to the campground. See you then. Oh man, I'm so full now. I haven't been at a buffet for a long time. I'm gonna be in food coma now. Going to the campground. It's already 3:30, perfect time. But tonight I'm not gonna eat anymore. I am so full. I have a reservation for tonight.
Okay. For camping?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, that's the first time for me to camp here. So it's gonna be fun. It's a nice wide road. Goes into the campground. Alright, very nice. And that's the site. So it's 79 right now. And then let's see how low it gets at night. Whoa! From 79 down to 47. So that's gonna be my last night. Tomorrow I'm heading back home. So I'm gonna go and ride my bike. That's the Silver Springs Campground. Nice spacious campsites. So this looks nice, yeah. Trails. River trails. Yeah, definitely I'm gonna take this one. Oh wow. It's a nice trail. Really nice. That's fun. I like this trail. Who knows where it goes? I'm just following the trail. Mostly it's hard enough to ride. Some places a little bit soft, but that's okay. How's it going? These are just a short soft spots, but most part it's hard. Perfect ride. Sinkhole trail. First dirt trail that I'm actually really enjoying. Because I'm on my gravel bike. I don't have a mountain bike. But this is so smooth and perfect. You see the post? Yellow? Yellow trail is sandhill trail. And the red one is the sinkhole trail. So when I get to the red one, I have to turn right to find the sinkhole. There's the road. And where is the sinkhole? I guess I passed that accidentally. Anyway, let's head wherever this road goes. Oh! It's kind of soft. It's not too bad. Just some spots. That's the red one. And blue one. Ah, it's soft. Okay, okay, okay. Almost out. Okay. I'm like cruising. Oh, there was one soft spot. I had to press it through. And now I'm heading back to my campsite. And my site is coming up. There you go. That was a nice ride. Now I'm gonna get a good night's sleep. So I'm in the process of transferring all the files into the computer, my laptop, and yeah, I guess I'm gonna close up my video. This series is coming to the end. Tomorrow morning I'm heading back home and start editing the videos so that you guys can see it. So thank you for following along and see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. That would help me a lot. See you then.